Yo, konnichiwa, sashiburi desu, genki desu ka? With this video, I'm gonna give you guys the most requested patch ever, which is a Trackspacer clone. But also, at the end of the video, I'm gonna show you two more patches that are very related to this Trackspacer clone, but they're a little bit more specific, and they're gonna be Discord exclusive, so make sure to join the Discord, link in the description. I humbly present you guys my patch, Spacer. Yes! If you don't know what Trackspacer does, I'm gonna briefly explain to you the fact. What Trackspacer does is not that different from the standard sidechain compression, but instead of compressing the amplitude of the sound, it acts like a dynamic EQ that compresses the frequencies. Trackspacer basically reads dynamically the envelope of the frequencies of a sound and apply that frequency envelope to another sound. So for example, if you're sidechaining a sine wave to another sound, you're not gonna compress the whole spectrum, but you're gonna compress just that sine wave. Another feature that is one of the most important features in my opinion is that it allows you to apply that compression or attenuation, call it whatever you want, to the two channels together, to one channel, to the other, to the mid or to the side. Of course, I took all these features and put them in my patch as well. So let's go see some examples. So here's a very clear example of a vocal that has a very nasty reverb.
Whenever the mood strikes me right, whatever the rules are on my side.
Let's turn on the Trackspacer and see what it does.
Whenever the mood strikes me right.
Let's try to shape the area we want to affect with this high pass and low pass filter.
Whenever the mood strikes me right, whatever the rules are on my.
That's pretty cool, but now the vocal, which is mono, is compressing both channels of the reverb. It doesn't really compete in the side information, am I right? So what we can do, we can switch into MS mode and decide with the pan knob that we're gonna apply the effect just to the mid signal.
Whenever the mood strikes me right, whatever the rules are on my side.
That is way more clean and it keeps the stereo image of the reverb intact. Now let's see my patch in action.
Whenever the mood strikes me right.
Now we can switch to MS mode and turn this one to the mid signal. This vocal doesn't really have side information, so we can actually leave it in the middle right now, but you know, just making sure.
Whenever the mood strikes me right.
Just like the Trackspacer, you can set an attack and a release. If you click sidechain, you can monitor what's the information that the patch is gonna take to attenuate the frequencies. If you want to go peek and see what you're doing to the track, you just click map and you can load up these two EQs. So of course you can apply this technique to anything you want. Of course I use the vocal example because I think it's the most obvious example to show you. So let's check this little production that I made. I'm gonna show you all the different patches and everything they're doing to the track. Let's go.
Whenever the mood strikes me right, whatever the rules are on my side. Whatever the mood strikes me right, whatever the rules are on my side.
It's time for the two Discord exclusive patches, which are Spacer Echo and Spacer Pro.
Prank, they look extremely similar to Smooth.
Yes, of course. So what I did, I simply took Smooth and I added a sidechain input and connected it to all those EQs. So instead of suppressing the resonances of the audio of the same channel, you're controlling the sidechain input of another channel. Spacer Echo and Spacer Pro are very specific about the frequencies that you want to cut, but to me, the normal spacer is usually more than enough It has a more natural curve of attenuation, and I designed it to be as efficient as possible for the mid-range, because usually it's that area that it's more problematic. I consider Spacer Echo and Spacer Pro a little bit an overkill usually, but if you work with crazy sound design, crazy sounds, and super loud and squeaky sounds, they might be for you. Feel free to download Spacer, link in the description, and you can download Spacer Echo and Spacer Pro on my Discord server. See you next time, bye bye! No wait, no wait, it is. No wait, it is. Konnichiwa. No wait, it is. Janet.